Hi, I'm Mike Mahan with SMA America's Solar Academy. In the tech tip today, we're going to talk about ensuring internet connectivity with Webconnect enabled inverters such as the Sunny Boy TLUS with secure power supply. When the Webconnect module is installed and the inverter is commissioned, we're ready to begin testing the internet connection. Ideally, you will see both the SpeedWire and the Sunny Portal icons on the display of the inverter. In a system with multiple Sunny Boy inverters, the Webconnect modules will be daisy-chained together with the daisy chain ending in the customer's router. We recommend troubleshooting from the inverter furthest away from the router. That way the diagnosis will also include potential cabling problems. If both the SpeedWire and Sunny Portal icons do not appear on the display of the inverter, we'll begin the diagnosis by knocking on the inverter. You'll see the status of both ports of the Webconnect module, as well as the IP address that has been assigned to the inverter. In a system with multiple Sunny Boys, all but the last inverter will be using both ports, and so the SMA COM status should be OK for both A and B. And the inverter furthest away from the router may be only using one port, so A or B should show OK, and if a computer is not plugged into the open port, that port might show NC or no connection. Once all the physical wiring has been ensured to be correct, we can check on the IP address to make sure it is correct. One common set of suspect IP addresses starts 169.254. This is showing that the inverter is trying to communicate, but there is not a routable IP address available, so there's no internet connection. This type of internet connection problem can be best diagnosed by plugging a laptop into the open Webconnect port, making sure that you're disabling any type of Wi-Fi access to the internet, and navigating to sma-america.com. It's also good practice to ensure that the customer site actually has internet access by then unplugging the laptop and plugging it directly into the customer's router and repeating this test, ensuring there is internet access. The first step in remedying this problem is to power cycle all the networking equipment, the customer's router as well as the inverters. For the inverters, turn on and off the DC disconnect and flip on and off the AC breaker. Give about 5 minutes for reassignment of IP addresses, and then check on the inverter displays to make sure they have an appropriate IP address assigned. One way to troubleshoot further is to take the laptop, plug it back into the furthest away Webconnect module, and run Sunny Explorer. Sunny Explorer should be able to see all of the inverters, even if there is not an internet connection, so ensure that you can actually access all of the inverters on site. If you'd like to learn more about Webconnect or the Sunny Boy TLUS with secure power supply, please visit our website at sma-america.com. I'm Mike Mahan for SMA America's Solar Academy. Thanks for joining us.